Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the image in front of you and a browser open. That's essential. First, save the picture to a known folder or the Photos app so you can upload it. Next, navigate to Images. Google, or tap the camera icon in the Google app. Once done, select Upload an image or drag and drop the file into the search box. This immediately begins a visual lookup. You do this because Google extracts visual features to match names and sources quickly. You'll now examine the return matches and the best guess for this image. Read that phrase carefully because it often contains the likely name. Make sure to open multiple source pages to compare file names, captions, and surrounding text. These often reveal the correct name. If results are noisy, narrow by size, time, or ad site, domain, to focus on a trusted source. Once you see consistent wording across different sites, you can be confident in the picture name. To finish, confirm the name by finding an authoritative source like Wikipedia, a museum, or a photographer's page. You want at least one reliable citation. If initial searches fail, crop to a unique part of the image and retry. That can remove distracting backgrounds and improve matches. Make sure to try reverse image tools beyond Google for stubborn cases. If nothing works, search for clear text or distinctive features in the picture. You'll often
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.